Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome back to my channel, BIMMY Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to take care of your magnetic eyelashes. The reason that I'm showing this video is I want you to be able to reuse your lashes time and time again. Each eyelash set can be reworn up to 10 times. However, this is only possible if you take care of your lashes by cleaning them after each and every use. So first, what you need is an oil-free makeup remover. The oil-free makeup remover that I use is this one. It's not sponsored by them, it's just something that I use. I really like this brand. It's called Garnier, and they have an oil-free makeup remover, and they also have a waterproof type, and I use both of them. I like it and it works. So the second thing you're gonna need is some Q-tips, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean them. So basically, these lashes can be reworn up to 10 times, but you have to clean them properly. So at the end of the day, when you take them off, what you're focusing on when you clean them is taking the eyeliner off the magnet. So I've just filled this cap of the makeup remover with some of the liquid. I take a Q-tip and I dip it inside. Then with the magnetic eyelash right here, what I'm doing with the Q-tip is I'm putting it on each magnet and I'm removing any excess magnetic eyeliner, any excess eye makeup, any excess mascara. Then when I'm done, I usually flip the lash over and I clean the lash as well. Clean both sides, because sometimes the excess mascara that I have on will stick to it. The last step for taking care of your magnetic eyelash is that you need to put it back on the kit on that magnetic strip. And as you can see, that it'll stick right back on because it's clean. Once you're done doing this, obviously repeat it on the next side, and when you're ready to rewear it, you are going to have no problems. If you do not clean your magnetic eyelashes after each use, you won't be able to rewear it, because what's going to happen is the eyeliner is going to stick to the magnet, it's going to dry up, and there's not going to be any room for the contact of the eyeliner with the magnet the next time you wear it. So you have to take off any excess eyeliner, eye makeup, mascara, anything. Make sure your magnets are clean after each use and you will be fine. And this is the package. And our product is sold exclusively on Amazon.com. I will leave the link to this product down in the description. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, leave a comment below and let me know how you take care of your magnetic eyelashes, and let me know how many times you were able to rewear them.